Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala ahli wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. So if you want to renew your TotalReach, your Go High level access, if you want to renew it, just go to your inbox. That's the easiest way to do it. So you are going to find this email. Halal TotalReach subscription will be renewed in 1 day. When you find it, you come back here, update, just open it. So when you come here, don't cancel your subscription. If you cancel your subscription, you'll be made to pay 15,200 naira. So just click on try paying again. It's going to take you to this place to pay. Then you can pay with your card, USSD, bank or bank transfer. You just pay and it is easy to pay. So that's how to pay. Very easy. So when you pay, you have already done it again. If it has already expired, you are going to see action required, Halal dollars payment has failed, or Halal dollar TotalReach subscription expired. So you can still go to this place and click on renew. So you click on try paying again. Then you pay with any method you like, either USSD, bank or bank transfer. So this is how to pay. This is how to pay. It's very easy and direct. So if you want to renew from seller, you go to your seller dashboard. You see that particular thing you purchased, Halal dollar TotalReach, you click on it. So when you click on it, click on this access membership. Don't click on continue. Click on access membership. Click on it. So you are going to see that your subscription for this product has expired, just like this one has expired. Then you click on here. You can see what I clicked on. Visit here to manage subscription. Click on that here. Then you are going to click on try paying again. So you are going to pay with anyone you like, either card, USSD, bank or bank transfer. Note that you can either pay from your email or pay from your seller dashboard. So if you are someone who has cancelled your auto renewal, if you still have this email that says TotalReach subscription expired, this renew, you can still click on it. Go to try again. You are still going to pay the same amount, which is 5,200 naira. So even if it is this one, that any email that you still have where you can still resubscribe, just click on it, update your payment info. You can just click on it. It's still going to request for your card or USSD or anyone. And if you want to do that from seller itself, this is my seller dashboard. I've already cancelled the auto renewal, yet I can still go to TotalReach. I can still click on access membership. You can see, because I've cancelled, I can still click here, click on here, try paying again, and you try to pay. So it's going to go. May Allah make it easy for us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.